Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're going to see how to install Jenkins on Oracle Linux 8.8. A Jenkins plugin allows continuously integration to be performed using a open source automation tool written in Java. Using Jenkins, you can continuously build and test your software project, make it easier for developers to integrate changes and easy for users to obtain a fresh build. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install Java package by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the Java version by using the following command. The Java version is 11.0. Next, I am going to import the repository key and for Jenkins by using the following command. Next, I am going to add the repository on the system by using the following command. Next, I am going to install the Jenkins by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable the service by using the following command. Next, I am going to start the service by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of Jenkins by using the following command. It is active and running. Next, I am going to add the port number in Firewall by using the following command. Let's reload the firewall by using the following command. Next, to open the browser. Open the browser and enter the IP address with the port number. To unlock the Jenkins, you will get the password in this path. Copy that. Install plugins. Create your own user. Enter password. Enter name. This is the dashboard of Jenkins. This is the process to install Jenkins on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.